Hey folks, welcome back to the Home Show. I'm Dewey.
And I'm Eric.
And we got a special guest today.
Old guy.
He is our tyvek specialist from the Miracle at Work.
That's right.
That's right. He's going to tell us all about DuPont tyvek and why we should use it, what it's for. You see it on every house out there because it is the only thing you should use. You know, there's other things out there, but we ain't going to mention them.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
And my number one question is always to Tim, why DuPont tyvek? Why not something else? Why tyvek?
Well, it's real easy. There's three simple reasons why you want to use tyvek.
Yeah.
Number one, it's there's energy efficiency is really what we're going after on all of our homes nowadays.
What does it really do?
Well, it stops the air from air infiltrating into the wall assembly. Okay? So that's the number one reason why tyvek was invented over 32 years ago. And DuPont invented the house wrap category by inventing this product here called tyvek. And so it stops the air from blowing through the wall assembly because the outside air is unconditioned and the inside air is conditioned air.
What happens if you got something moisture? Does it breathe?
Very, very good point. Yes. Yeah. The other neat thing about tyvek is that it's breathable.
Oh my.
And breathable means dryable. So any moisture that's in the wall assembly can dry out.
Well, that's pretty neat.
This story gets better and better.
It does. But wait, there's more.
There's more. Heaven's sakes.
With that too, tyvek will not let bulk water into the wall assembly. Okay?
No.
So any water that gets behind our sidings,
Yeah.
because as we know, all siding leaks. No
Little
matter
bit.
how well we try to seal it up, water gets in there.
Right,
And
yeah.
so water won't go through the tyvek, and we don't want the water to get to the wood of the wall.
Right.
So when we install the tyvek properly, it sheds the water and keeps it away from the wood.
Gets it all down the wall and down to the ground where it belongs.
And over to the neighbors where it belongs. Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Everything's working right. You know, that's where it goes. Yeah,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, that's great.
So those three big items is stopping the air infiltration,
Mm-hmm.
keeping the water out, but yet still letting your house breathe.
Yeah.
And letting that moisture vapor get out.
And that's a
the
big
three
thing
things.
these days is letting everything breathe because, you know, if you get moisture in the house and it stays there, you got mold, you got ick. You got nothing but ick.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
And probably one of the number one things is getting that water away, but it also helps keep your house from having problems like mold, rot, any issues that perform or acclimate like that.
And we've all seen them pictures that, you know, somebody didn't do something right and you got nothing but bad things going on. You got rotten walls, rotten wall sheeting. It's a bad deal.
Right. And right now, the tyvek is the product that's going to help prevent that.
Right.
Okay, because this all gets covered up, and it's kind of like the lineman of the football team. He's the unsung hero. Okay, the quarterback and the receivers make everything look good on the outside. The siding and all the stuff we put on
Right,
there
yeah.
makes it look good. But this is really what protects the house.
Right.
This is what keeps the structure from rotting and tearing down. As long as we can keep that water away from it and let it dry out
Yeah.
and be breathable, that's critical.
Cool.
So you'd be kind of like the coach then.
Coach.
Possibly.
Coach. I like that. That's a pretty good term. What else can we talk about? You know, what else is, there's other benefits, you know, why do we do, you know, this product versus something else? You know, breathability, there's perm ratings, there's all kinds of things like that.
Exactly, and perm ratings are the dryability rating of it, the ability for moisture to breathe out. When DuPont invented this house wrap, they were the only ones out there. Now there's a bunch of other brands out there and things of that nature, but we're very fortunate we still have a large percentage of the market share because it does all three things very well.
Right.
It breathes, it keeps the water out, and it keeps the air from coming in. And all the other wraps don't do that.
Right. And everything you do, you know, if you got windows and you got all them doors and you got all the tapes and trims and things to go with that to make flashing windows and doors a snap.
Exactly. We have a full system with this. We have the wrap, the window flashing, the sealants, the foam, everything. And so you've got it all underneath one roof with the DuPont system. We've got you covered.
It's a total package.
It is a total package.
I also see another thing there, them little blue dots.
Yeah, this is a cap fastener that we put the tyvek on, and that's really recommended for any weather-resistant barrier on there. It's going to seal the hole and then cap it up so there's no way that it can infiltrate in there or water as well.
That's great. So remember, folks, when you're out there putting something on the outside of your house to be the unsung hero, remember tyvek. Remember us at the Otter Tail Home Center. We'll see you next time.